Okay, this is the 65-watt charger that I bought from Kuulaa. Okay, and this is the laptop original charging adapter. So to prove that it's working, so I will use the original adapter to charge my laptop. So before it actually start to charge, you can see the icons like that. So first I will connect this default laptop original's charger to the USB charging port. Yep, so after I plug in, you can see it start to charge. We have the plug icon on the battery. Then now I will use the Kuulaa 65-watt charger. The light is on. Okay, this is the 65-watt charging cable that I just bought from Kuulaa. Then, as you can see, no chargings at all. Not charging. It's not charging. It's not charging at all. And I have another 100-watt cable from Kuulaa too. I will try it with this. Where's the okay, this another 100 watts adapter that I actually bought from Kuulaa too. So I will use the magnet head from this one to try it out. As you can see, the light is on, but it's still not charging. The head is working actually. If I change back to the original laptop original charger, laptop original charger, okay, with charger with Kuulaa adapter. Let me plug in. Okay. Yes, you can see it start charging now. So I'm very sure that this 65-watt charger, 65-watt charger adapter is not working. It's very faulty. So please make a replacement for me.